Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you are looking for the perfect, most stunning hand-cut crystal glasses, look no further. This is the best for entertaining. These are by Biandeco. It comes in a set of 4. They make all your beautiful, expensive beverages elevated and look so appealing. You really don't have to work as hard when you're entertaining. I love the way that it feels when making drinks with these glasses. This is a generous 7 ounces, and for me, that is the perfect size, especially when you're entertaining, so you don't give away all your alcohol. I also love this heavy weighted bottom. It gives off a hue, a beautiful, deep and rich crystal color depending on the drink. It holds hot drinks, hot teas, citrusy drinks, all of your beverages in style, and it fits perfectly in the palm of my hand, easy to carry, a heavy weighted bottom. These gold rims, I am impressed because after many uses and heavy washing, there's no wear or tear, and the gold looks perfect. This 24 karat gold, these glasses are definitely a must.
We love them, but that's just my point of view.